My name is Jose Rodriguez, and I'm pursuing a nursing degree at the University of Incarnate. I've always been interested in medicine. I'm mainly interested in the emergency room. I graduated from Texas A&M International University with a Bachelor of Science in Biology. I was a lab technician for about a year and a half, and then I became a medical scribe for about a year and a half. I just wanted a more hands-on interaction. I was working with nurses and doctors, and I was looking at nursing, seeing what avenues that could provide for me. I Googled nursing programs and UIW came up, and I read their goals and their missions, and it just really aligned with my values. I liked the low faculty to student ratio that allows me to build relationships thoroughly with my teachers, my fellow cohort, just overall have like a more family environment as opposed to just being a name or a number. When I have a question or I feel like there's a concern that I could bring up, I know that I can come to my professor and my thoughts are going to be heard. It's very welcoming with my professors and instructors. As far as my cohort, they call it trauma bonding, but it's a family that I have here, and I know that if I'm missing something, I can count on them to pick me back up or bring what I missed or something to that extent where we're there for each other. It was definitely an adjustment having to manage my time better because I was a person who procrastinated, and that's not going to fly in this program. And we use studying blocks in this program, and it's useful. I just enhanced my abilities to study and regulate my schedule. If you want to do it, you can do it. Don't let anything stop you.